and now we are moving on to this month, February, and my scent for this month. Look at us, we're ahead of the game. So yeah, so I have a perfume for this month. I don't know if I will have a perfume. I don't know if I will have a perfume for every single month this year, but I just happened to for the start of the year. So my perfume for February, which is also my birth month, and this is also my birthday gift, one of my birthday gifts. The perfume for this month, which I also got another sample from Sense Angel, but I also have another little sample, and this is Crush on Me by Unique Luxury. I don't know how to properly say that. This is my perfume for this month, and it's only the beginning of the month and I haven't really been out yet, so I haven't really been wearing like my going out perfume or much perfume at all. So today we're just gonna go right ahead and get going here, because this is my scent for this month. So we are going to sport it when I go to the gym today. Yay! I got a little sample and I just fell in love with it, and then I got more. So thank you, Wayne. I feel like the name is kind of cute for February, Crush on Me, because like, you know, Valentine's Day, I think it's cute. So I feel like it kind of goes with the theme of the month. And this one is definitely a bit stronger. The Black Opium, this one I feel is definitely a bit lighter. Like you might need to spray a bit more. This is just my take on the one that I have, okay? But yeah, I feel like this one is not overpowering, so you can spray a bit more, and I don't think it's gonna be like, ooh, girl. So I think, you know, this one is a bit on the lighter side, whereas the Crush on Me is a bit stronger. It's definitely stronger, and you really don't need to go too crazy with it. This one, I just love. It's definitely, again, sweet. It's kind of intoxicating. Like, I almost feel like it has this bit of like boozy smell, maybe, but like a boozy sweet, like, you know, pink champagne or something. You know, it's just kind of intoxicating. Like, you smell it and it's like you wanna drink it in. That's how I feel. It's very sweet. Not very sweet, but it's sweeter. Like, it's fun. I think it's still a bit more mature than, you know, previous things that I've used. I've been wearing this one kind of like, I would put it on before bed and just kind of like, because that was kind of the habit I was in of like, that's when I wanted to smell it and just kind of take it in. So yeah, I just fell in love with it. I was just like, wow, I love this. So I don't know why, but yeah, it's sweet, it's intoxicating, it's sexy, it's good for going out, but you can even wear it at home. And you know, I think that's kind of where I'm gonna end this off, because I don't really know what more to say. I think even though I have been wearing it, maybe like by the end of the month I can come up with a better description of the perfume and kind of what it means. Because like I said with the Black Opium, I felt like it was kind of that, you know, graduation from wearing pink sugar to something more grown up. Crush on Me is my perfume for this month, and yeah, if you want to see more perfume videos, then I will make more and I can talk more about it and I can get better at explaining perfumes. Let me know if you like this. I have all sorts of videos on my channel, so feel free to check them out. And yes, thank you for watching, and tell your friends, and I will see you in another video. Bye!
You said I was the most exotic flower.